Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's happening, people? Welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Welcome back to the channel. Now today we'll be talking about Emmanuel Gyamfi. Now, apart from his performance, because we know this season hasn't been good, apart from his performance, there are reports that he made some comments on Facebook, replied fans, insulted fans, and made some strong claims on Facebook, and this has led the club to take disciplinary actions against him, and since it goes against the rules and regulation of the club. Now someone might say, oh, it's not because of that, it's because they want him out because his performance have not been promising. His contract expires this year, May 2021. His contract expires this year, and the way things are looking, they won't be renewing his contract, and William Obukumensa, his contract will be expiring either the ending of this month or next month. Players like that, their career at Kotoko is in a thin rope and they can just be cut off anytime. So I think the reports that stating that Emmanuel Gyamfi might be leaving the club is kind of believable. You should believe it. Forget about that, he's our captain after Felix Anand. He can be on his way out because the way he's been playing, and if the reports are true that he did that on Facebook, he could be leaving, and if he does, we have to find another player to replace him. I think apart from Godfrey Desiema, he's the only winger we have as Kotoko. So January, if Emmanuel Gyamfi will be leaving this January, or we should start now to look for a winger to buy to replace him. A very talented, quality winger we should be looking for. We should be looking for a quality winger to replace Emmanuel Gyamfi. That's if he's going, because the way things are going right now, the reports and everything from the sources I've been hearing, it looks like Emmanuel Gyamfi will leave Asante Kotoko. He's had a lot of good times at Kotoko, and he has played 20 games so far without scoring a single goal, and people are using that against him. He's been a good servant. He played very well, stepped up in some games, but his overall influence at Kotoko hasn't been that much. But you can't deny the fact that he's been a very good player for Kotoko for the past year since he signed. So reports that are saying that he's leaving, we should believe it because it can happen, considering the fact that his contract expires soon. Now, Godfrey Desiema and Emmanuel Gyamfi this season, they are not playing well because they know they will start every game. Assuming we had backup people that will rival them at the position, they will step up. That's my own theory, that's my opinion, because if you had two other talented wingers in bench that can rival Emmanuel Gyamfi and Godfrey Desiema, definitely they will step up and push out more convincing performances. Emmanuel Gyamfi is leaving. I'm hoping the club to sign a very good, talented winger to replace him. I don't have anyone in mind right now. So if you are watching this and you have a winger or a player in mind that you feel could replace Emmanuel Gyamfi if he leaves, put it down in the comment section and tell me why Kotoko should sign the player, and we'll look at that, because right now we don't have a lot of talented wingers in the league. Apart from there's a particular midfielder I like. I think either Mina Sharks or I think he's in Mina Sharks. Some Tuebona guy, some short, talented, fast runner guy. He's very skillful when it comes to counter attack. If you can get him, that would be good. So I don't have anyone in mind. So if you have anyone in mind, put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. I think that's all for today. I just came to tell you about this breaking news when the Gyamfi might be leaving. So tell me what you think in the comment section. Tell me right now. Till next time, guys. Peace out.